Look, $50 for one day? This is a very good job. Taking care of a baby is very easy. We just play with the baby. Yeah, it's so fun. We will buy the robot very soon. Come on, let's go now. We will get the money today. This looks like the place. Yes, this is the house. Hi, why are you here? We are here for the babysitting job. Can you take care of my baby? Yes, we will take care of her very well. Okay, I need to go out for a while. Come in and watch my baby. This is Cici. Please take care of her. Wow, a baby so cute. Mommy's going out. Play with your brothers, okay? Hi, Cici. Let's play together. She is so easy to take care. Our robot dream will come true soon. Yeah. Whoa! She needs to eat to grow up. Look, there is food on the table. This is perfect. Let's feed her. Okay, Cici, time to eat. Hey, stop! What are you doing? Oh no, the food is falling. You look so funny. Let me help you clean this up. Food is everywhere now. We need to clean everything fast. Where is Cici? Oh no, she went out.
Oh my God!
She is very loud now. What should we do?
Hey, Cici, look at me. Calm down.
Boop, look at me. Peekaboo. Phew, that was close. She is quiet now. Let's clean this mess now. We need to finish this fast. La la. Uh-oh. Happy, happy. I hope they are okay. Finally, it is clean. What happened here? Hold her, I will clean this. Oh no, the water is on the floor. I cannot stop her. Oh, this is getting worse and worse. She looks very sleepy. Come here, I will help you. Sleep well, Cici. I need to clean the floor. These marks are hard to clean.
The line is moving so slowly.
We finally cleaned most of it. Yeah, we did. Thank goodness. Huh? What is that sound? Is she awake again?
Why is she shouting again? What is that smell? I do not know how to do this. What should we do now? I am home! What happened here? Why is the door open? I see what happened. It is okay. I will handle this. My baby, you are so sweet. Look at her. She is so calm. She makes it look so easy. Everything is done. It's time for bed. You did a good job today.
The house is still messy. We are sorry for the mess. Yeah, we're really sorry.
It is okay, do not worry. You can come and play anytime. Here is $50.
Wow, thank you. My mom works very hard every day. She takes care of me all the time.
I will buy a gift for my mom.
Wait, look over there.
Oh.
Hello? Wait, just a second. Barnaby, no, stop pulling.
He looks very busy. I have an idea. What idea do you have? The job we will do next. Okay. What are you doing, dog? What is happening? Let's watch in the next video. If you like this video, give me a like and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Wow.